Are you ready to embrace a bold and chic transformation? Introducing the timeless allure of Pixie Haircuts, a daring yet elegant choice that's making waves in the world of hairstyling. Who can pull off a pixie haircut? Pixie haircuts can be versatile, but they tend to flatter individuals with defined facial features and a confident attitude. It's important to consult with a hairstylist to determine the best pixie style for your face shape and hair texture. Will a pixie haircut work for my hair type? Pixie cuts can work for a variety of hair types, including straight, wavy, and curly. Your hairstylist can recommend a suitable pixie variation that complements your natural hair texture. How often will I need to get my pixie cut trimmed? Pixie cuts require regular maintenance, usually every 4 to 6 weeks. Trims help maintain the shape and prevent the cut from looking unkempt. Are pixie cuts easy to style? Pixie cuts can be relatively low maintenance, but styling depends on the length and texture. Shorter pixies may require minimal styling, while longer pixies might need some product and styling techniques to achieve the desired look. Can I still do different hairstyles with a pixie cut? Absolutely. While the styling options are more limited compared to longer hair, pixies can still be styled in various ways using texturizing products, pins, clips, and accessories. Will a pixie cut suit my lifestyle? Consider your daily routine and lifestyle. Pixie cuts are great for those who prefer a quick styling routine but might not be the best fit if you're used to longer hair that you can tie up easily. How do I grow out a pixie cut gracefully? Growing out a pixie cut can be challenging, but regular trims, hair accessories, and styling techniques can help manage the awkward phases. Patience is key. Can I change the color of my pixie cut hair? Yes, you can change the color of your pixie cut hair. Consult with a hairstylist to find the best color options that complement your skin tone and haircut. How can I make my pixie cut look more feminine? Styling techniques, accessories, and makeup can add a feminine touch to your pixie cut. Experiment with different hair accessories, earrings, and makeup looks to enhance your features. Will a pixie cut make my hair appear thinner? Pixie cuts can give the illusion of thicker hair, especially when the ends are textured and layered. Discuss your concerns with your hairstylist to create a style that adds volume and dimension. How do I maintain my pixie cut at home? Maintaining your pixie cut at home involves using quality hair products, blow drying with a diffuser for added volume, and regular trims to keep the shape intact. Can I get a pixie cut if I have a round face? Yes, you can get a pixie cut with a round face, but it's important to choose a style that elongates your face. Consult with a hairstylist to find a suitable pixie variation.